What are the settings required to connect the Corsair Wireless Headset to an Xbox One?
Hey there! In this video, we'll go through the step-by-step process of connecting your Corsair Wireless Headset to an Xbox One. Whether you're looking to enjoy immersive gaming audio or chat with your friends, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in.
Checking compatibility.
Before we get started, it's important to make sure your Corsair Wireless Headset is compatible with the Xbox One. Most Corsair wireless headsets, such as the Corsair Void series, are compatible with the Xbox One. However, it's always a good idea to check the specific compatibility details for your model on Corsair's official website.
Connecting the wireless adapter.
To connect your Corsair wireless headset to the Xbox One, you'll need to use the wireless adapter that came with your headset. Here's what you need to do. 1. Plug the wireless adapter into one of the available USB ports on your Xbox One console. 2. Power on your Xbox One console and your Corsair wireless headset. 3. On your headset, locate the power button or pairing button. Press and hold it for a few seconds until the LED indicator starts flashing. 4. Press the pairing button on the wireless adapter. This will initiate the pairing process between the adapter and the headset. 5. Once the pairing process is successful, the LED indicator on both the wireless adapter and the headset will stop flashing and remain steady.
Adjusting audio settings.
Now that your Corsair wireless headset is connected to your Xbox One, let's make sure the audio settings are properly configured. 1. On your Xbox One, navigate to the home screen and select the Settings tab. 2. Within the settings, choose the Audio option. 3. Under the Audio settings, you'll find options to adjust various audio settings. Here, you can customize the volume levels, game, chat balance, and other audio preferences according to your liking. 4. Make sure to set the output device to your Corsair wireless headset to ensure the audio is routed correctly.
Enjoying your wireless headset.
Great job! You've successfully connected your Corsair wireless headset to your Xbox One and adjusted the audio settings. Now, it's time to kick back, relax, and enjoy an immersive gaming experience. Remember, if you ever need to disconnect or reconnect your headset, simply follow the same pairing process we discussed earlier. That's all for this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in connecting your Corsair wireless headset to an Xbox One. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!